Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2019 GMC Terrain and I will show you how to change the exterior temperature measuring units from Celsius to Fahrenheit or vice versa. This video will apply to GMC Terrains made from 2018 all the way up to 2024. You will be using this menu button on the right side of the steering wheel, and you will be looking at this screen on the instrument cluster. Now first press the right button to get into the second menu, and now scroll through the menu options using up or down until you reach the units. There's a couple of options here. Okay, units, and now you will press the checkmark button to enter the menu. And here you will select US if you want Fahrenheit. And right here you will see the temperature is in Fahrenheit. To change it back, you will do the same thing. Metric. And now it's metric. And that's it. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.